bit safer because you don't have the infinity pool like going all the way.
Yeah, I always tell you, even though they're older, watch them. No, watch them. Yeah.
So that's something that we always mention when we have like younger kids in the suites over there, is that they will have a like elevation infinity pool, and it's something to consider.
Yes.
We can set families without.
I want to ask why are these all there? Is it because it's tamarindo, right?
No,
no?
that's parota seeds.
Oh.
So parota is one type of tree that grows around here. It's like an ear, and each one of them has different seeds.
The
And
other one is a tamarindo. No, we have
that's like
yeah.
thinner, like long plants, like
That's
long
nice. That
seeds.
can be really nice.
And like the biologist can